Hey guys, are you want to buy best ladders? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best ladders that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1, Little Giant Ladders. Looking for a lightweight, versatile ladder that's simple to carry from job to job? The flip and light from Little Giant Ladders might just do the trick. This 14-pound ladder has an easy release handle for quick takedown before moving to the next job. A tool tray top cap holds screws, nuts, bolts, tape measures, levels, and more. It also comes with extra wide rungs to increase comfort and decrease foot fatigue, so users can work for extended periods. An extra large standing platform provides users extra stability and balance. The total weight capacity for the 6-foot Little Giant ladder is 300 pounds, and the maximum reach is 10.3 feet. Flip and light also comes in 4-foot and 5-foot models. At number 2, Best Choice Products 3-Step Ladder. This reasonably priced step ladder from Best Choice Products allows users to focus on the project rather than break the bank on the tools. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The step ladder has anti-skid rubber feet on all 4 legs to provide safety and support. The steel frame, although lightweight and easy to carry, is solid and reliable. Each step has a tread that helps prevent slips and falls. A bracing rod within the frame provides additional support. The ladder supports up to 330 pounds, including tools, which users can store on the work platform. Best Choice Products step ladder measures 28.7 inches long, 17.7 inches wide, and 52 inches high when open. Now number 3, Event Telescoping, suitable for a variety of jobs high and low. This Event telescopic ladder is made with a durable aluminum construction that is able to hold up to 330 pounds in weight capacity. It also comes with added plastic construction for reinforcement and 1-button retraction, and a convenient carrying strap for storage. While in use, this model also locks in place on each rung for reliable use at any height. While it does extend to over 10.5 you can rely on its slow-down design to avoid pinching fingers as you extend and retract. Plus, this model comes with the added advantage of being lightweight at just 19 pounds. At number 4, HP Tower 3-Step. HP Tower Secure Step Ladder has 3 steps that support up to 500 pounds. Extra wide steps with non-slip treads and an anti-slip handgrip provide enhanced safety and support. Rubberized feet keep the step ladder in place and protect the floor. An auto-lock buckle on the steel frame locks in place when a user steps on the ladder. A back cross brace reinforces the support. When open, the ladder measures 20.1 inches long, 26.8 inches wide, and 40.9 inches high. It's well suited to indoor and outdoor use. And our last product is Little Giant Ladders. Extra large, fast locking hinges, and telescoping rails on this multi-position ladder offer multiple configurations. Stairway step ladder, 90-degree ladder, twin step of frame ladder, and an extension ladder of up to 22 feet. Not everyone needs these capabilities, but for those who do, the Little Giant earns its place on the list thanks to its sturdy, shape-shifting aluminum construction. Tip and glide wheel make it easy to relocate the ladder around a room or outside. Little Giant Ladder's velocity comes in 13-foot, 17-foot, and 26-foot models and numerous accessory combinations, including a cargo hold, project tray, and a work platform. So what did you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel, click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.